Alright, hello everyone, and welcome back to the daily update of the 1000 days challenge. This is day 722, so let's get things started. Alright, so first and foremost, equity remains the same, no change in terms of balance in that sense. But if you look in terms of the market structure update itself over the weekly itself, we do see that overall we have a green bullish candlestick on the weekly chart, which is definitely a good sign for S&P 500 and Nasdaq. But bear in mind that on the other hand, even though I mentioned that Bitcoin or crypto in general is following very much Bitcoin is following very much in terms of similar to what S&P 500 Nasdaq is following. Bearing in mind that we are still below the 200 exponential moving average on the weekly chart itself, so that's something to bear in mind. But that being said, bearing in mind that the reason why 200 exponential simple moving average is higher, or the fact that we actually put below also goes to show that previously outperformance of Bitcoin has been there, so resulting in that similar move in terms of downside will definitely have a much more likelihood of breaking in terms of the exponential simple moving average in that sense. All right, but above and beyond that, going back into the traditional financial market in terms of China equity wise, we do see a red bearish candlestick for both of them, which is definitely not what we want to see, not something we want to see simply because of the fact that it does show some sort of a bad sign in terms of a bearish momentum in that sense. So in terms of coming weeks ahead, we could still see further downside for the China equity market. I'm a little bit cautious as to how low we can go in that sense, but do be cautious as we could definitely test the bottom once again, or even form a new low from that perspective itself. All right, and then finally for Bitcoin itself, like what I mentioned, I'm not looking for any trade setup unless we come to test over here, which should also be previously as a support region. So we do find support at least 20 exponential moving average on the daily chart, along with the fact that this is also the horizontal support region itself, and also the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level. These three confluence would mean the fact that at a price of around 21.17, we have a very decent support. So we have around 500 plus room dollar in terms of dollar wise to move for Bitcoin to form a potential nice support. And we do bounce out strongly from that, that would be great. If on the other hand we do have a big bounce, we're very much going to lower averages, lower low in that sense. All right, otherwise that's more or less about it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop by your comments below. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.